my dear friends. Today we're going to play with farm animals. You know them all? ¿Te lo sabes todos? Today we are playing with some of them. Vamos a jugar con algunos de ellos. Today we're playing with some of them. You ready? Yeah? Here we go! Okay, let's guess the first one. It's a horse. Great. And tell me, what does a horse say? ¿Qué hace un caballo? What does a horse say? That's it. They neigh. Okay, and now, what farm animal is this? Very good. Of course it is. It's a sheep. Hey, but be careful. Not a sheep. It's a sheep. Hey, and what does a sheep say? ¿Cómo hace la oveja? What does a sheep say? They baa. Very good. And now, time for the third farm animal. What's this? Yes, that's it. A goat. Oh yes, the greatest of all time. El más grande de todos los tiempos. The greatest of all time. No. I mean the farm animal. The goat. La cabra. Goat. This is a goat. And what does a goat say? ¿Cómo hace la cabra? What does a goat say? Hey, yes, very good. They baa too. Wow, very good. Another farm animal. What's this? Haha, very good. That was too easy, eh? Muy fácil. It's a pig. But what does a pig say? ¿Cómo hace el cerdo? What does a pig say? Very good. They oink. Very good. And this is going to be the last one for today. Va a ser el último de él. This is going to be the last one for today. What's this? Yes, it's a rabbit. Oh, well, a bunny. Hey, don't you remember Bugs Bunny? Come on. Wow, very good. Did you know them all? ¿O lo sabéis todos? Did you know them all? Yes, very good. Well, I'm leaving. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us, okay? It's totally free. Come on. Bye-bye. See you next time.
And that's all, folks.